guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have some fun and easy DIYs that you can do for Halloween. So everything that you're going to see in this video, I actually picked up at my local Dollar Tree. Now I'm sure you can find these at your local dollar store. So if you don't have a Dollar Tree, if you have a 99-cent store, or even Michael's sells some of these basic items for pretty inexpensive. So I have 4 different DIY ideas for you guys to decorate for the holidays. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed it. And I also have a playlist of all of my other Dollar Tree DIY videos. So if you want to get caught up with that playlist, it's going to be linked below in the description box for you guys. So let's go ahead and hop into it. So for this first DIY, you're going to need 8x10 canvases. Also, you're going to need some sponge tip paintbrushes, and you're also going to need some acrylic paints. The Dollar Tree sells them, but I actually got this kit on Amazon. I'll have it linked below if you guys want to check it out. So I just went ahead and just added the paint straight to the canvas. I found that it was easier to do it that way, so that the canvas can absorb more of the paint. And I used 3 canvases, so I'm painting one purple. I left one of them white, and then I also painted another one a lime green color. So for the green canvas, I wanted to do a friendly monster. So I went for the more friendly eyes. And these are just window clings that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then I placed it on while the paint was still a little wet so that it would stick to the canvas a lot easier. So I didn't have to go ahead and hot glue anything. And then I also took a fine tip paintbrush and dipped it in some black and just kind of made some monster stitching, some Frankenstein type stitching. So again, I wanted to make this more of a friendly monster so that the kids wouldn't get too scared by it. And then the skeleton was pretty self-explanatory. You could even use this skeleton canvas if you choose to make this DIY too. You could go ahead and add like a Santa hat to it and do like a Nightmare Before Christmas if you wanted to use this for your holiday Christmas decor as well. So just a little idea for you. And these are the 3 wall arts that I have, and I just went ahead and just placed them along my mantle right above my fireplace, and I think it turned out really, really cute. Alright, so for the next decor idea, you're going to need a plastic bin. I got an orange one. You're also going to need some spider webbing, and this package actually had some plastic spiders. You're going to need some spider rings and also a skeleton. So what I did is I went ahead and just placed my skeleton in the bin, and what I wanted the bin to look like is a bathtub, and I thought it was really fitting because garden bathtubs are actually really popular right now with like farmhouse bathrooms. So I absolutely love this guy, and I'm not gonna lie, it was a little awkward like having to place the skeleton. I don't know, just gave me the Halloween feels. And then I went ahead and just added in the spider webbing because I wanted the webbing to mimic like bubble bath. So basically this is just a skeleton in a spider web bath. And what I found is the easiest to do is make sure that you're spreading apart the webbing to kind of fluff it up. And that's what worked for me. And this is super easy, you guys. And then I went ahead and added some of those spider rings into the tub just to make it look like there were spiders in the bathtub too. It just kind of gave it an even more creepier feel. So I think this is the perfect little Halloween decor to go ahead and add into your bathroom without it being too, you know, loud and huss and fussy. It's just super cute in my opinion. Alright, so the next DIY, you're going to need 3 mason jars, or you could just go ahead and reuse pasta jars if you want to. You're also going to need some of these LED votive candles. I went for the red. And then you're also going to need some spider webbing and some spider rings. Alright, so what I'm actually doing is I'm making some candle holders, and I'm adding in the spider webbing inside of the mason jar. And the best way to really fill this glass is to really poof out the spider webbing. So just kind of knead it with your hands, kind of like you're kneading dough, and just spread it apart really well. So that's what I found was the easiest way to fluff everything up. Alright, so now I'm just going to add in the little spider rings, and I thought that these were really cute with the little gems in the body of the spider. So they are orange and purple, so great with Halloween colors. And then I added in the red LED votive candle right in the middle, and you have yourself a fun little spider candle holder. And just a friendly reminder, do not use real candles in these candle holders. Alright, so the next DIY, you're going to need the Beware sign from the Dollar Tree, the wooden sign. You're also going to need some paint and some sponge paintbrushes and some lettering. So what I did is I cut the little ribbon at the top, and I went ahead and just flipped it over because I'm just going to go ahead and paint the back of it a different color. So I went in with this pale orange color, and I thought it was perfect, and I wanted to make sure that I wasn't painting it perfect because I wanted it to have some like distressing streaks into it, because I do have a farmhouse style decor scheme throughout my house, so I kind of wanted to apply that with this sign as well. I've seen a lot of really cute signs over at Hobby Lobby, but I really didn't want to pay the Hobby Lobby price for the sign, so I went ahead and just flipped the Dollar Tree sign to go ahead and make my own.
You're gonna find that people live in graves, we're living dead.
Those black letters, and I spelled out trick or treat, and then I also got some more of those window clings, and they had little candies along the border of the window clings, so I went ahead and just added the candies onto the sign since the sign does say trick or treat. So this is the final product of the sign, and I thought it turned out super cute and definitely less expensive than a Hobby Lobby wooden sign. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you leave in the comment section below what your favorite DIY project is from this video. And if you want to catch up on my recent videos, I have a playlist in the description box. It's called binge watch Gina's videos. So if you want to get caught up with my last week videos, maybe you haven't been able to watch everything that I've put out here the past week, I made a playlist if you guys just want to binge watch some Gina Schweppe YouTube videos. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and make sure you hit your dollar store as soon as you can, because when it comes to these holiday decor items, you want to make sure that you are snagging them before they are gone. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video on your Pinterest if you found this helpful. Share it on Facebook. And I will talk to you guys all later.